Hi, this is Joseph from Spreadsheets Made Easy, and today I want to talk about conditional formatting when rules collide. What I mean by that is if you have multiple conditional formats set on the same set of cells, if you have two of them and they're both true, both of those formats could get applied to the cells. And I'm going to set up the problem, go over why that happens, and how you can solve that or avoid that problem. So here I have a simple project number and due date. And for the first format, I'm just going to say that if the project is past due. The project is past due if today's date is greater than the due date. So that's the first conditional format we're going to apply. So if the conditional format, we're going to say new rule. We're going to use a formula. We're just going to say equals. And if today's date is greater than the due date, I'm going to unlock that reference there. And I'm going to apply a simple format of like a dark red background with white font and bold for the font style. Okay, press OK. Great. Yeah, that's pretty loud. So you can see that from a distance. And let's say now we have another rule, and we want to say, well, if the project is past due, but it's within 3 days, we want to show a different format. Okay, so we're going to apply that. We're going to select the cells again, conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula. Okay, and here we're just going to say equals and, because we're going to apply two different things. One, that it's past due, so today's date is greater than the due date. Okay, comma. The second one is if today's date minus the due date is going to be less than or equal to 3, close parentheses. So that's basically saying if it's within 3 days, so after the due date, so it's within the grace period, we're going to apply a simple format of just italic. Just for the sake of the example here, press OK. And what happened? So we have italic here, but we also have the red background and the white text. So something happened here where this conditional format also got applied here. Let's talk about why that happened. So in this particular cell, we have both conditions are actually true. It's past due and it's within 3 days. That's the first one. And the second one is if it's just past due. And if it's just past due, we apply a red background with white text. Now, the font style was italic here and bold here. And in conditional formatting, you have a precedence, an order of precedence here, which says that whatever style you apply in the first one that gets true sticks for any other format that will get applied. So that just means that the font here is italic here. It says it wants to be bold here, but since this was true, it already applied the italic font style and it won't apply the bold. Just to show this example a little bit further, if I come in here and I add a different background and I say it's like dark blue, now it's dark blue with black text, but if I apply it, it's going to stay dark blue, but it's going to have this white text here. So that just shows you that the background got applied first, and then the background fill here, even though it's true, the background was already filled in, so there's already a format for that, and it takes precedence over any other format that's the same from the same group or style. So the background fill in this particular case. Now, I'm just going to undo that real quick. Come in here, clear that out. All right, come back to where we were. Now, if I just want it to be italic and no other format, what I can do is, if this evaluates to true, I can say stop if true and apply. Now what happens is Excel saw that that particular cell got evaluated to true, and it said, okay, I'm going to apply this format, and then anything else after that, even if it's true, I'm not going to apply the format because I'm going to stop here. And that's how you can avoid getting these multiple conditions applied. So again, if you have the multiple conditions here and you say I want to just stop on this one, you can say stop if true, apply, and you'll have the format that you expected. And that's basically it. So this is how you can avoid where multiple conditions rules can collide with each other. And I hope this was helpful for you. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.